Struggling with weak legs, unstable knees, poor balance? This one simple stance could fix it all. No gym, no equipment, and you can do it right now. Most people skip this, but ignoring it might keep you stuck and stiff for life. It's called the horse stance. Looks simple, but stick with it, and the changes come fast. Here's what happens in just 30 days, and why this ancient posture could transform your strength from the ground up. The horse stance builds what I call natural leg armor. As you sit down into that wide stance, your quads fire like crazy, your glutes switch on, and your inner thighs muscles most people never train finally wake up. This combination stabilizes your knees and helps your joints handle real-life stress. Ask yourself, when was the last time your legs felt solid and unshakable? But tight hips? They'll ruin everything. When your hips are locked, your knees collapse inward, and your lower back takes the hit. The horse stance fixes this by forcing your hips to open, stretching the adductors, and releasing that stubborn tightness that builds up from sitting all day. Quick warning, none of this works if your form's off. Stick around, I'll show you how to avoid the most common mistakes. As your hips loosen up, something surprising happens. Your balance improves immediately. Even tiny gains here unlock huge changes in how your whole body moves. And once your hips and knees start working together, you're ready for the next big when building a rock-solid core. Because yes, horse stance is secretly a core exercise. Most people think the core is just abs, but real core strength is about resisting movement, staying stable when your muscles are screaming. Holding a horse stance forces your deep core muscles to fire constantly to keep your torso upright. Research shows that static holds like this can engage your core even more than crunches or planks. So while your legs are burning, you're also building a stronger spine, better posture, and steadier balance. Now let's talk about your back. If you sit a lot, your lower back gets weak, and your posture collapses. The horse stance fixes this by teaching your body how to support itself, keeping your spine tall in the stance, stretches the lower back, strengthens the stabilizers, and retrains your posture. Why does that matter? Because that's real freedom, moving smoothly, lifting safely, walking with confidence, and waking up without that stiff, creaky feeling. We've opened your hips, strengthened your legs, and solidified your core. Now it's time to talk about how to actually start. Because here's the truth, knowing this isn't enough. Doing it right is everything. Start small. Find your safe depth, knees out, chest tall. Even if it's just a shallow stance, progress comes from consistency, not pain. Begin with short holds, like 3 rounds of 20 to 30 seconds, and slowly increase the time. By day 30, you'll feel it. Stronger legs, looser hips, unshakable stability. That wobbly feeling in your knees. If this helped you, share it with a friend who needs it too. And don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.